Today's nature journal is called What Do You Wonder? It's inspired by the book Ada Twist Scientist by Andrea Beatty. In the book, the main character, Ada Twist, is very curious. She has questions about everything, from nose hairs to thorns on a rose, why clocks tick, and all sorts of things. So, what do you wonder? First, go to your nature spot and settle in. Look around with curious eyes. That means try to be curious about everything you see. What are you wondering about? Write 5 questions about nature. Make sure at least one of them starts with why. For example, why do roses have thorns? Why is the sky blue? Why are flowers different shapes and colors? You can also ask questions with how, when, what, or where. And if you're really curious, you can start researching to find the answers to some of your questions. Most importantly, stay curious, enjoy nature, and have fun.